Did you ever wonder what a festival in Dubai in the UAE would look like? So today I will show you how the festival Waterbomb in Dubai was like for me. It was quite amazing, so that's what I can already say. It is not what I expected, and I will tell you more about it later on in the video. But first of all, Waterbomb, it's a concept which is very popular in Asia because it's also most of the time hot weather. So the idea is that you have a water pistol and you are a little kid, you are playing with a water pistol and you are squirting it on people. It's very fun. Also, Dubai is very hot, so it's a perfect place to have this kind of activity, and you can see everyone feels like a little kid. It is bringing you back to the good old times when you were a small little kid, and this is why I think this concept is so successful, because you can have fun like a kid and also listen to amazing music. And also, something I didn't expect, you could have a little drink too. There were some stops in between the festival where there was a prayer time, which was very respectful to the culture in Dubai and the Arabic world, so I did like that aspect a lot. And that's also a bit how Dubai and UAE tries to handle these things. They try to mix a lot of cultures but also respect especially a lot of the culture that there are in this country, so that's really amazing. So I really liked it. It was a very spacious, not too many people, not too little people. The toilets were very good. Every infrastructure was very well organized. There were a lot of people there, and also the artists were pretty good too. So Waterbomb was I think a Friday and a Saturday, and there was DJs like DJ Snake, Benny Benassi, who was else, Nico Romero, so quite some big names. I think the ticket prices were also in line with these kind of names, so I think it was 60 or 70 euros. So not the cheapest, but for what you got, I think it's a pretty good deal. And as you can see in the different images, it does give a pretty good idea of how this experience was. So a festival in Dubai, must recommend. It even has an area. This location was in Festival City, so definitely recommend. So if you want to hear more about Dubai, UAE and other type of countries and trips I do, feel free to have a look at my channel, and obviously any support is welcome.